is Tessa from Too Wired, Too Tired, and I'm here today to show you the brand new Dyson Cool Fan. This is the AM06 model that was just released, and as you can see, it's a bladeless fan, and it uses the Dyson Air Multiplier technology to bring in the air around it and multiply it by 15 times. It's very powerful, and it comes with this cute little remote that sticks to the top for storage. It's, I believe, a little magnetic. Let's turn the fan on and show you how powerful it is. Right now we're going to start off at level 1. You can hear it's pretty quiet. Hardly any noise at all. They've won some awards for how quiet this fan is. But you can see, the interesting thing about the bladeless fan is you can stick your hand right in the middle and there's no blades. But also all the air comes around the circle. See? Now we're gonna go up to level 10. So you can kind of hear it. I'll go off to the side and you can get an idea of how loud it is, and we don't have the air blowing right at us, so we don't get that static beachy noise in the camera. But you can see that it's actually a pretty quiet fan, especially compared to some of the box fans we've had at our house. And now to show you how much air is coming out. It's pretty impressive, right? That's sure to cool you off on a hot summer day. So, it also, I wanted to show you, it also oscillates. So let's bring it back down to 1 so you can hear me. We don't have air blowing right at the camera. And I'm going to start oscillating so we can make sure that everyone gets cool. Pretty nice, right? Another great feature is, let's turn it off, it also tilts down. Can you see that? And it tilts up as well. And I can do it all one-handed. See that? So you can adjust the angle, which is really nice. Not possible with your typical box fan. So we're very impressed with the Dyson Cool AM06 fan and would recommend it to anyone looking to get a new fan and escape the heat this summer. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and this is again Tessa at Too Wired, Too Tired.